So hey guys, I'm filming this video for just a mini advertisement for the rec center. So this is Innisfail, the rec center basically. Well, I'll show you some little bits of it. So yeah, this is just a little gaming area, so and pretty much here's another gaming area with some Xbox games and a VR thing or something like it. Not a VR set or anything, it's a VHS or something. And big flat screen TV or something, I don't know. Well, since you can't really see anything, well, basically, it's kind of a nice place. And yeah, that's the end of my video. So peace out, subscribe and like to my channel for more videos of the rec center, and well, kind of just like gaming that, so yeah. Subscribe, I'll be doing shout outs in 2 years, so might be lucky. Comment #rubduck in the comments.